For the next model in our HT line is the AMP2 12HT. Again, this has the extended chin protector to give you additional protection from arc flash that comes from below center. It has the attachment that is a universal attachment on slotted or non-slotted helmets, such as this one right here. It has the adjustable pivots, the lever lock system for easy changing of the face shield, and eliminates the exterior attachments. And it has the chin protector that again is the extended version, but it's got an optical finish on it so that you're able to look down through it and see both your tools and your surroundings. The face shield is a 12-calorie shield that has a hard coating on the front side and permanent anti-fog coating on its interior. This face shield combination fits helmets that are both slotted and non-slotted and will fit almost any helmet in the market.